करेंगे अल्फाबेट। चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते। A for apple,
A for apple,
B for ball,
B for ball,
C for cat,
C for cat,
D for dog,
D for dog,
E for elephant,
E for elephant,
F for fish,
F for fish,
G for goat,
G for goat,
H for hen,
H for hen,
I for ice cream,
I for ice cream,
J for jug,
J for jug,
K for kite,
K for kite,
L for lion,
L for lion,
M for mango,
M for mango,
N for net,
N for nest,
O for owl,
O for owl,
P for pencil,
P for pencil,
Q for queen,
Q for queen,
R for rabbit,
R for rabbit,
S for sheep,
S for sheep,
T for tiger,
T for tiger,
U for umbrella,
U for umbrella,
V for violin,
V for violet,
W for watch,
W for watch,
X for xylophone,
X for xylophone,
Y for yak,
Y for yak,
Z for zebra,
Z for zebra,
is